Hello dear friends, my name is Vangelis Prokopiou and you're watching Bash printf usage and example. Today we will look into this very useful command, the printf command. Have a look at how it can be used, and then I will display a practical example which was a real one because I had to implement it for my needs, so I will show it to you just as an example in case you ever need to use printf and execute a similar task. So let's get into it. As you may know, printf is a command that helps you format text the way you want and then print it in your terminal. Of course, printf, as you may know, is used also in some programming languages like C or Java or C++ and maybe others. So let's have a look at how it can be used. Let's start by checking the man page, the help page. So if we say printf help, and if I zoom out a little bit, we will see that the usage is printf, then we provide the format character, how we want to format the arguments that we will provide. This is the basic usage, and we will start seeing some examples. So if we run printf, we saw that the second argument is the format character. Let's say for now it's A, and then we can follow this format character with any number of arguments which are themselves strings. So let's say B, C, D. Now, what this command will do is that it will apply this format character for every argument that we provided. In this case, this will have this result, which is that it will print the A character. And if I make it a little more clear, if I add a new line character here and we run this command, we will see that the only thing that gets printed is the A character, because it's a literal string. Of course, there are other things that we can do a lot more useful. For example, we can, if we provide this format character, this means that every argument will be printed within this this format character. So if we run this, we will see that all the arguments B, C, D and D are printed in our terminal. We can do other useful stuff. For example, we can say here hello to each argument, and if we run this, the result is that we print hello plus the argument for each of the provided arguments. As you can see, it quickly becomes very useful. We can manipulate text and numbers in very useful ways, and our only limit is the imagination, but we will try to show an actual example, as I already said, which I had to implement for myself. And what was that? Imagine that you want to create a number of directories. Let's say that we want to create 1000 directories. Of course, we will not do it by hand. We can do it, of course, by running, for example, the sec command. If we run sec 1000, this will produce this result. It will produce all the numbers from 1 from 1 to 1000. Let me rerun this. As you can see, we have all the numbers starting from 1 up to 1000. The problem with this though is that, as you can see, these are not padded. They do not have the same format, and what I mean is that since 1000 has 4 digits, it would be nice if we had this format: 0001, 0002, etc., 0010, 0100, etc., until we reach the 1000. So this is where printf may come in very handy. And what are we going to do? Now we will try to build this command in order to have formatted our numbers in this case. So we will start our command by running the sec 1000. Okay, and then we can pipe this to a while loop, and we can say while read n for number, do, for now we will say echo the number, and done. Okay, our while loop is working perfectly, so we can start formatting this string, the n, the number in this case. So instead of echoing out, we will do printf. Printf, we will provide the format, which is in this case that we want to print a digit, but we want it to be 0 padded. So we will specify that we want 4 zeros in front of the digit. Let's see the result of this. Okay, we have the result. We did not add the new line though. That's why we have this result. And let me reset. Okay, the loop ran, and as you can see, we have all our numbers 0 padded, which is very good for when we want to sort things. This is very useful. So we have our loop ready. This is our loop. The only thing we have to do is to create this directory. So what we will do now, we will say that we want to make dir, and the directory will be the output of this command. We don't need now the new line character. So this command must create all the directories that we need. Let's try it. The loop is running. It is finished. So let's see here what we have. Okay, ls gives us this, and the lslack command provides us with more information, as you can see. And indeed we have all our directories, and they are correctly 0 padded, as you can see, starting from 001, 0001 up to 1000. So let me show the command again. This is the command. We start, I use the reset in order to clear the terminal and only have the latest command output available, so you can skip this. So we start our command by running the sec 1000 command, which will produce the numbers for us. We pipe this output to a while loop, and for each number that we read in, we format the number with this format of the printf with this format sequence. We zero pad the number with 4 digits, with as many digits. Let me correct myself. We zero pad it with as many digits as we need in order to have 4 numbers in total, to be more precise. So we format the number the way we want, and this becomes the argument to the make dir command. So for each number we create a directory and we are done. And if we see again the result, we will see that we have all our directories. This was a simple introduction to the printf command. I hope you find it useful. It is useful to me. I have used it many times. You can find more information about the printf command either through the man page. If you run the man page, for example, you will find more info about it. Plus, there is this URL that you can go to and see even more information regarding the printf command. So that was all that I wanted to share with you. I hope that you like this video. If you do, indeed, you can comment, like and subscribe, and keep coming back for more of these videos. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day.